Hello, hi guys. Yano over here. Today I'm gonna show you the trouble I have with my Fluke 902 and how to fix it for the trouble I have. So let's go. So over here we got a whole 902 HVAC lamp meter that have a temperature probe in it, capacitor reading, and AC amp meter. So what you have to do, that's unscrew the big two screw over here. That one is for the 9 volt cell. You open up the lid of, like that. Oh, that part was supposed to be there. So you remove it. You had one screw here, one screw over here. You remove it if you wanna get out the board. Over here, there's the plastic like that. Sorry, you just pull it up and slide out. Like you can see, there one wire broke here that goes on the small solder spot there. Uh, when I opened it at first, that wire wasn't broke. I broke it by the time I tried to remove the card with the other probe plug, and I guess that wire was about to broke by itself because I had barely just moved it and it broke. So I will resolder on that spot. And the other thing I want to show you, I'm gonna add my front light for you to be able to see clearly what the issue is. There's the tubing here. You can see it clearly. There's a crack all around it. Yep. Both are have cracked. So sorry for the focus. Camera isn't the best one. So that's it. I will resolder and show you after it's done. So I'm back. I did the soldering job like that, like you can see. I'm doing a lot of that stuff for a few more years of use. So I think it's gonna be good. And I resoldered that one here on the board. Pretty solid. We just have to put everything back in place and do a first try to see if everything's worked fine. So everything being placed like it should. Oh, ta-da! Woohoo! Nice. Let's see if ah hold there. And you guys just move the bug was when I was just moving the the plug here, the reading was always out or not not having a reading at all. So everything looked like to be fixed. So I'm very happy. I'm just saved like $450 that I don't need to buy. So hope you guys like that kind of video that help you fix your things. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.